Alright guys, getting right into this week's video, but first, if you missed my last video for my Waldorf chicken salad, well, you know what to do. Watch this one and then go back and check it out. Because this week, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious almond Sopapilla cheesecake. It is amazing. And I know I say everything's quick and easy, and it usually is, but this one, you're not going to believe how quick and easy this comes together. All right, guys, I'm not going to hold you. Here's the recipe.
Hi, guys, and welcome back to What Adrienne Thinks. It's me, Adrienne. Today, I'm making a dessert. A quite tasty dessert. This little thing is called Dessert Made Easy. I'm making sopapillas. Now, don't slay me if I done butchered that name. But sopapillas is just an easy cheesecake made with Crescent Rolls. You're not gonna wanna miss this, guys. So quick and easy. You blink, it's over. I'll point you down. I have my Crescent Rolls here. I'm gonna get them open. We start off with the first two. And these actually come in sheets too. So if you can find the Crescent Roll sheets, get them, because this it'll make the dessert preparation a lot more easier. So I have a 9, ooh, almost didn't spray it. Ooh, guys. You have to spray this pan or we'll have stuck sopapillas. So I'm using Baker's Joy, but you can use a butter cooking spray too. And so you just wanna spray the bottom and try to get your sides. All right. Even if they come apart, do not worry about it, because I'm going to show you what you're going to do. So if you get the sheets, you'll just lay the sheet right on down in here. Okay. So you just want to unroll them, roll them out, unroll them. You want to roll them out, and you see these little seams? So you just want to take your index finger and your thumb, and you want to seal those little perforations. So those little breaks in the pastry. So you want to seal that up. Okay? And just do that right across. So far, so easy, right? You just want to kind of pinch those together. And you want to do anywhere there's a divide, you want to sort of press it down. Nothing too deep going on here. Now, when I first saw this recipe, I saw it done so many ways, and obviously it's quite a popular dessert. And I was like, oh, I gotta make that. Love cheesecake. And I'm just taking my offset spatula, and I'm just sort of making sure I don't have any. I've sealed all my little breaks. And we're going to need this again later too. So you just want to press that out. And just kind of, again, seal everything up. Now, one of the ways, some people just go right ahead and they make their cream cheese mixture right on top, and they put their top layer. I'm actually going to blind bake this for about 5 minutes, okay? Because I really want to make sure the bottom of my crust is done. So when I saw it done like that, I said, oh, that's the way I'm gonna, do mine. So that's where I kind of got that from. Okay, so I think everything's all closed up. I'm gonna put it in my 350 oven for about 5 minutes. Okay, I'll be back. Okay guys, so while the bottom layer of our crescent dough is in the oven, I have 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese. This is Philly cream cheese, and you can use any type you want, but I like the Philly. And you're going to need 1 cup of granulated sugar, and you're also going to need some vanilla. And I'm going to use a tablespoon and maybe a little more. of vanilla. Oops, see there? See how that go? So far, so easy, right? Definitely gonna need your blender to get this nice and smooth. So I'm just gonna use a high speed and get it mixed up. So look at this, nice and blended and soft. If I didn't say, our cream cheese, your 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese should be at room temperature, very soft, and that'll make this a lot easier. You won't have to beat it very long or anything. And I don't feel any sugar crystals in the bottom, so this is well blended. All right, I'll meet you back. Our crescent roll has blind baked for about 5 minutes. And now I'm gonna add our cream cheese mixture right in the top, right on top. We're gonna start to spread that right over top. So you can imagine if this was not soft enough, this would not blend very well, or you wouldn't be able to spread it or anything. So you wanna spread this nice and even right over top, and then we'll go on to the next step. So I have that all spread evenly in our pan, and now I'm opening our second can of crescent rolls. And you want to put this right up on top of our cream cheese mixture. Right on top. That's it. Same thing we did on the bottom. We just want to pinch those little sections together. And you're not going to see it, so there's pretty much not a right or wrong way at this point. So that's our Sopapilla cheesecake right there. So now we're going to put our topping on. Little bowl here, I have 5 tablespoons of melted butter, and I have a ½ a cup of white sugar and a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. So that's all going in. It's too hot. It's too hot. Okay, the cinnamon sugar mixture. Now some recipes call just to pour the melted butter on top, but I much prefer to make a little slurry like this. Just get it nice and incorporate it. And just going to spoon it right over top of that top layer. Just like that. So you can imagine this is going to be nice with a nice little crispity crunch right on top. I have to grab that with a paper towel. All right. So I'm just going to get the rest of that on top. And I'm just going to go in with the back of my spoon, and we're just going to spread that over top, just like that. Just want to get some of that buttery cinnamon love, sugary love right on top. Okay. That looks great. Okay, just an even layer. And then I have a little sliced almond. This is going to make it look really nice and kind of give it a little eye appeal with the almonds. right on top. You don't need a lot, but just enough to put on top. All right, so this is going in a 350-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. And then I'll be back. Sopapillas. All right, guys. Our Sopapilla cheesecake is done. Let this cool down a little bit. And then I'm going to cut a slice. You know what's next. The taste. All right, guys, so it's done. Our Sopapilla cheesecake. Look at that. You see those beautiful layers inside there? Let me show you this crust from the, look at that. Nice and golden brown. You can see how blind baking the crescent roll at the bottom just for that 5 minutes. I wouldn't go any longer than 6 minutes, and that's gonna really make the difference. No soggy bottoms here, guys. Look at that. This smells so good. Now, this has a topping. You wanna know what that topping is? Just a little honey. Listen, I don't have a little fancy honey thingy. Just a little honey on top. Just a little bit. A little honey. Look at that. So good. That is amazing. So good. With the crackly crust of that, with the butter and the sugar right on top. Can you see how crispy that is? One more bite, I promise, I promise. So good, guys. I'm gonna cut this big old bite for Inga. You getting on camera? No? All right.
Looks good.
Let me know what you think. Is it good? Can you vocalize something?
I love it.
Thank you, Ing. I love it.
It's good.
Guys, you see what I gotta deal with.
It tastes better than that so-called brand that's in the store.
Why you guys talk like a robot? It tastes better than like the brand in the store.
It tastes better than the brand that's in the store. How's that? Tastes better than the brand that's in the store.
Anyway, guys, if you're not a subscriber, what you waiting on, child? Come on and see. Now she want to talk. Guys, if you're not a subscriber, head on over to What Adrienne Thinks. You can find me on all social media at What Adrienne Thinks. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Let me know if you're going to make this delicious Sopapilla cheesecake. So good. Cheesecake out. That's good. Isn't that good?
Mm-hmm. You know, the flavor just hits you all of a sudden. That's how I was like, ooh. It was good.